Welcome to Ciamis, the birthplace of Galendo. Hello there, food lovers. Today we're embarking on a journey to a place where tradition and nature blend seamlessly. Today we're taking a trip to Ciamis, a charming regency in West Java, Indonesia. Nestled in the heart of this beautiful region, Ciamis is a place that captivates the senses and warms the heart. This place is special. It's known for its rich cultural heritage and stunning natural beauty. From traditional cultural events to historical landmarks, Ciamis offers a glimpse into the soul of Indonesia. But there's another reason to visit, a delicious traditional snack called Galendo. This humble treat has a story as rich as its flavor. This treat is made from coconut and holds a special place in the hearts of the locals. The process of making Galendo is a labor of love, passed down through generations. Let's discover the story behind this beloved snack. From the coconut groves to the bustling markets, every step in the creation of Galendo is a testament to the community's dedication and skill. Ciamis is a place where time seems to slow down. The serene village life and peaceful countryside offer a perfect backdrop for the creation of such a cherished delicacy. Lush rice paddies stretch as far as the eye can see. These fields are not just a source of sustenance, but also a symbol of the region's agricultural heritage. The air is filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers. The vibrant flora adds to the enchanting atmosphere of Ciamis. This tranquil setting is where Galendo was born, a testament to the ingenuity and resourcefulness of the Indonesian people. The dawn of each day brings with it the promise of fresh, delicious Galendo. Join us as we delve into the fascinating history and cultural significance of this unique treat. From its humble beginnings to its cherished status today, Galendo is more than just a snack. It's a symbol of Ciamis's rich heritage and enduring spirit. A legacy in every bite. The story of RAA Kusumadiningrat is one of vision, leadership, and transformation. The story of RAA Kusumadiningrat, a tale that begins in the heart of Ciamis, a region rich in culture and history. Our story takes us back to the 18th century, a time when the region was on the brink of transformation. This is when a visionary leader, RAA Kusumadiningrat, took charge. His leadership was marked by a deep understanding of his people's needs and the potential of their land. He saw the potential of coconuts, a resource that was abundant yet underutilized. He encouraged people to plant more coconut trees, envisioning a future where this simple crop could bring prosperity. This led to an abundance of coconuts in Ciamis, transforming the landscape into lush, green plantations. With so many coconuts, people had to find creative ways to use them. They experimented in their kitchens, blending tradition with innovation. And that's how Galendo was born. This delicious snack, made from coconut, became a beloved treat. RAA Kusumadiningrat's initiative transformed Ciamis. Coconut plantations flourished, and the region prospered. The community thrived, and the economy grew stronger. And from the heart of this abundance emerged Galendo, a symbol of the region's creativity and resilience. This humble snack became a symbol of the region's prosperity and ingenuity. It represents the spirit of Ciamis and the legacy of RAA Kusumadiningrat. It's a reminder that even the simplest ingredients can create something truly special. Galendo is more than just a snack, it's a testament to the power of vision and community. Galendo, a name that speaks of tradition. The name Galendo itself tells a story. It comes from the Sundanese words garing and kendo. Garing means dry, and kendo refers to the hardened remains of something. This perfectly describes Galendo. It's a dry, hardened snack made from the leftover coconut meat after extracting coconut milk. This unique name reflects the resourcefulness of the people of Ciamis. They found a way to utilize every part of the coconut, minimizing waste and creating a delicious and nutritious snack. It's a testament to their deep respect for nature and their ability to transform simple ingredients into culinary delights. From tree to treat, the coconut's journey. The story of the coconut is one of resilience and versatility. Coconut trees thrive in Ciamis's tropical climate, where the warm weather and abundant rainfall create the perfect conditions for their growth. These majestic trees are an integral part of the landscape, standing tall and proud, symbolizing the region's natural beauty. They are a vital source of income for many families, who rely on the harvest to sustain their livelihoods and support their communities. The coconut, often called the tree of life, provides everything from food and drink to shelter and fuel. Its versatility is unmatched, making it an essential part of daily life. But in recent times, coconut production has seen a decline. Factors such as climate change and disease have affected the yield, leading to fewer coconuts being harvested. This has impacted the availability and cost of Galendo, a beloved local delicacy made from coconut. Prices have risen, making it less accessible to many. Despite these challenges, the people of Ciamis remain deeply connected to their coconut heritage. They continue to work with dedication and passion, preserving their traditions. They understand the importance of preserving traditional farming methods and supporting local farmers. This community spirit ensures that the coconut industry remains a cornerstone of their culture. After all, it's their dedication that keeps the legacy of Galendo alive. The coconut's journey from tree to treat is a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of the people of Ciamis.